Today, we will be making pumpkin soup where our featured produce item is pumpkin. This recipe is brought to you by the Virginia Family Nutrition Program. To begin preparing our recipe, we will want to start by washing all of our produce items. Be sure to wash each ingredient thoroughly in cold water. Once all of our produce items are washed, we will begin to cut up our ingredients for our soup. We can start by cutting our potato up into cubes. Peeling the potatoes is an optional step, but keeping the potato peel on actually adds nutritional value. However, if you plan to blend your pumpkin soup, the potato skins will keep the soup from blending as smoothly. Next, we'll chop up 2 celery stalks and mince 2 cloves of garlic. Lastly, we will chop 2/3 of an onion. In a stock pot, heat oil over medium-high heat. Add your onion, celery, garlic, and sugar and cook about 4 minutes or until tender. Next, you'll add your ginger, nutmeg, black pepper, cinnamon, and salt and stir to coat. Add your water, bouillon cubes, potato, and pumpkin. Bring this to a boil. Reduce heat to medium-low, partially cover, and simmer for 20 minutes or until the potato is tender. Topping ideas for this soup may include light sour cream, green onions, or pumpkin seeds. So serve up in a bowl and enjoy.